Smart mom decorates room after a mess. Oh my God, my wall. Tommy, did you draw all over the wall? No, 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 my beautiful wall is ruined. Hi, I am Mary. I am an office worker and a busy mom. Before this story, I was in the kitchen preparing the dinner. Then I walked into the living room. My son created a masterpiece with a marker. Oh no, the wall is covered in doodles. Phew, calm down, Mary. As a mom, there is nothing I cannot handle. Let's take this chance to redecorate my living room. To begin with, I start cleaning the ink. I do not shout at my son. I smile and give Tommy a small cloth. I teach him how to wipe the wall gently. First, Tommy must remove the dirt and the ink. It is important to have a clean surface. Then I use some alcohol and a soft cloth. I smile and clean the wall slowly. After a while, the ink is blurry. Yay! But it is not gone completely. We need to paint the wall again, Tommy, I say. Tommy nods his head and looks excited. Afterwards, I prepare for the painting. I use a paint roller and white paint. Tommy wants to help me again, but this job is too much for a kid. So I give him a small, dry brush. He can paint the air near me. It is safe and fun for him. Next, I start painting the wall. I am painting every stroke straight and carefully. While I paint, Tommy watches me quietly. You are doing a great job, Mommy. As soon as the paint is dry, I start the fun job. Let's redecorate the wall with a new style. I want it to look even better than before. I want to turn this disaster into a gift. Lucky that I have a roll of cute wallpaper just lying in my garage. Tommy helps me hold the paper roll. I put it over the old ink spot. Ha-ha! No one knows it used to be a messy wall. After that, I hang a new picture. I use a ladder to reach high. Stay there, Tommy. Don't climb the ladder. 1, 2, 3. Aha! The picture is up. Tommy claps his hands when I finish. Wow, my wall looks like a gallery now. I love this new look so much. Ugh, suddenly I hear a car outside. Jack, my husband, is home right now. Wow, did we move to a new house? It looks amazing, honey, he says. I look at Tommy and I wink. Tommy smiles and keeps our little secret. I know he has learned the lesson today. This is a special story between us. Kids always create many little problems, but moms always find great solutions. So don't be angry with your kids. Let's be creative and work together. A mistake can turn into a beautiful gift. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What was Mary doing before she saw the messy wall? Answer. She was in the kitchen preparing the dinner. Question 2. What did Mary give Tommy to help clean the wall? Answer. She gave him a small cloth. Question 3. What did Mary use to paint the wall again? Answer. She used a paint roller and white paint. Question 4. What did Mary put over the old ink spot? Answer. She put cute wallpaper over the old ink spot. Question 5. What did Jack say when he came home? Answer. He said it looked amazing. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.